Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my kitchen. I'm just gonna go ahead and share with you a little protein snack that I like to make. It's just gonna be tuna fish, apple, celery, and then your choice. I use mayonnaise. Sometimes I use yogurt. First thing, I'm gonna take this apple. If you got one of these things, it's pretty sweet. Just put it on there. Gonna make some slices. Mix these sweet little chunks right here, which I'm gonna chop up, and then just get rid of the middle. I'm gonna take these guys, get rid of some of this stuff, but basically I'm gonna chop like this. I'm just gonna make these little cubes, like so. If you want them smaller, it's not that hard to do, but I like them a little bit bigger because I like the texture in the tuna salad. So I got about a half an apple here chopped up, and then you can just snack on the rest for later or do what you want with it. I'm gonna do something very similar with my celery here. Cut these little thin strips. I like the celery a little bit smaller chunks because it's harder to chew. But you're gonna end up with about that size. One celery gets me about a quarter cup. I think that's about plenty for 2 cans of tuna fish. Got my tuna, drained the water out, put it in the bowl. And then as I said earlier, I'm gonna use mayonnaise. If you wanna use it, great. I use this kind. I don't know why Stacy bought it and I actually ended up liking it. But it does have sunflower oil in it. But I think it's like if you're gonna eat mayonnaise, this is probably the healthiest kind. Or sometimes I use yogurt. Doesn't have the same flavor, but it's still pretty good because it's the same texture. How much do I put in there? Maybe like 2 or 3 tablespoons. And I'll mix that stuff up, like so. I mean, you can put as much as you want in there. I just kind of like, I don't mind mayonnaise. You just mix this guy up. You can add salt, pepper to this too if you want, but I like the flavor with just the apple. Well, 2 cans of tuna fish, close to 70 grams of protein. It's got a little bit of apple in there, which has tons of vitamins, lysine. It's good for building strong bones. Celery in there for the texture, the flavor, plus it's green, which is good. I eat this as a snack with like some macadamia nuts, raspberries, something like this. But you don't have to eat the whole thing. You can just take like, I think like 4 ounces of it will give you about 15-20 grams of protein. But when I made 2 cans, I'm gonna have 3 or 4 snacks loaded with protein to use for the rest of the week. So, no more RX bars, no more junk food, eat some protein.